Hello. Someone please reply. Have you finished this figure? Shall I go to the next point? No response. Meaning of no response, I don't know. Okay, write down about the inverted siphon. Okay, till the earlier figure, I have given the notes in the last lecture. Now in this lecture, we'll continue with the inverted siphon. Please note down. Shall I dictate? Shall I dictate? Okay. Snehal Chormule given me a reply that she has completed. I hope everybody has completed. Still, I will keep on displaying the same slide and simultaneously I will dictate the notes. Okay, write down about the inverted siphon. When sewer line dips below the hydraulic grade line, when sewer line dips below the hydraulic grade line, sewer line dips below the hydraulic grade line, it is called an inverted siphon. When sewer line dips below the hydraulic grade line, it is called an inverted siphon. Full stop. The purpose is to carry 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 the sewer under the obstructions such as roadway, railway, river, etc. Roadway, railway, river, etc. and regain as much as elevation possible. As much elevation as possible. Regain as much elevation as possible. Full stop. The sewage through such a pipeline. Hello? Anybody is talking? The sewage through such a pipeline will flow under pressure. Will flow under pressure. Which is greater than atmospheric pressure. The sewage through such a pipeline will flow under pressure which is greater than atmospheric pressure. However, in the inverted siphon, the hydraulic gradient line, is above the flow line. Whereas in true siphon, Whereas in true siphon, the hydraulic line is below. The hydraulic line is below the flow line. Below the flow line. Hence, the term inverted siphon full stop. It will be more appropriate to call it as a depressed sieve. It will be more appropriate to call it as depressed sieve. Next line, write down, while designing inverted siphon, following points must be considered. Following points must be considered. Following points must be considered. First point, construction should be simple. Construction should be simple. Second point, the changes in direction should be simple and easy. Second point, the changes in direction should be simple and easy. Next point, third point, it is necessary to have self-cleansing velocity. It is necessary to have self-cleansing velocity. It is necessary to have
unknown caller
self-cleansing velocity. Of 1 meter per second. Of 1 meter per second. Next point, 1 meter per second for the minimum flow to avoid the deposition of material. To avoid the deposition of material. Next point, the siphon should have 2 or 3 pipes. The siphon should have 2 or 3 pipes of different size laid parallel so that up to average flow one pipe comes into service. Proper bypass arrangement. Next point, proper bypass arrangement should be provided. Proper bypass arrangement should be provided from the inlet chamber to the nearby stream in a critical condition.
Repeat, will say.
Yes. Proper bypass arrangements should be provided from the inlet chamber to the nearby stream in a critical condition. I will also explain that point. What is asked, you can see here, this is the inlet chamber. Okay. In inlet chamber, this is the inlet chamber. So the sentence is telling you that proper bypass arrangement should be made available in the critical condition. So suppose, though we have provided 1, 2, 3 pipes, and there is an obstacle generated over here, or sometimes the road construction is there here instead of river. In that case, some dropping of that material will happen, and this is not in working. So in that case, will you wait to get recovered that area? No, you cannot wait, because you cannot ask somebody to store your water at this portion and don't allow to enter into this portion, is it? So you should make arrangement to have the bypass. When this pipeline is not in working condition, you simply can flow this water somewhere else, which is not the legally, but for critical condition, it is allowed to dispose that water, wastewater into somewhere else area.